Just changing out my gear on the distributor. Just swapping it out, putting it on the EF one. There are rumours about that if you don't swap them over, because it runs off your idler gear, it can possibly just chew it completely out because it doesn't mesh properly. So we're just knocking our little roll pin out. Both roll pins are out. There we go. Just a little bit of retaining compound. I'll see to line him up a little bit better. Money, 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 money. Money. Another little thing when playing with your EF. So I'll do it later. But when you got top dead center on your engine, over there. Oh, hang on, ready. To find, you put your engine on top dead center, but then you turn this little fella here, in this hole here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it with this great light. I've got a torch here. Here we go. See if I can get it. One end. There is actually I can't even focus. That's your top dead center. That's your timer. So, and then you just, oh, there she is, top dead center. So then I'm going to make a little pin up so when I put it in, it stays there. There you go. Get out! Don't look at me like that. All innocent. Get out! Oi! Don't wag your tail at me. Right, so I've just tensioned up the Harmo. What was it? A Roback, I think it was. Anyway, yeah, she's tensioned up, and we're just getting it now onto top dead center. At the moment, I'm just winding it over. Looking for me compression. I'm coming on the compression now. So just got number one plug yet. And just tighten this up. Just got my finger over my plug hole and that should be top dead center. We should be good to go. I'm just trying to find me oil pump shaft. Oh look, there's me. I added me there you going. Me bracket for me fuse. I'll show you that later. Only one more table to check. Oh dear, I got parts everywhere. What part to be? Oh, it's going to the scrappy. Yes, look. Oh, come here. There he is. Right. Let's see if I can get this in. I've just been even just lubed them up a little bit of this stuff. We're going back in. I was playing around. I'll pulley. But these even look. TI Performance have helped me out heaps. Jason, been emailing him questions. He's more than happy to answer. Got another delivery actually coming next week. I've got the AC delete pulley, fuel pump. I think I got a Albro 460. I'll probably get my injectors through to him through him too. I'll put a link in the description for TI Performance. Check him out if you're doing a rebuild on a sock. He's got LS parts, but obviously I want sock bits for my Falcon. I've got that much stuff through him. Bearings, my Crocam gear set, head bolts, studs I should say, head studs through him, water pumps, heap of Raceworks hose, fittings. That makes life so much easier on his website, the Fluid System Builder. Just for doing your, I think I used parts when I did me electric power steer pump, Astra power steer pump. I got fittings off him through that, which make it all fit. Yeah, been a big help. So there's a link in the description, TI Performance, check them out. Plenty of goodies on there, and I'll be shopping there next week, like I said. Probably get the injectors through him. Bosch, I think I was looking at the 1000cc or the 1200s. We'll see what happens there. Might even possibly order them next week, so Jason will get more bits. So yeah, today I'm going to see if I can get this back in, or maybe tomorrow. I just got to button a few things up. Actually, my little fuse box here, I've got to bend that little tab back up, but that'll be mounted over the top of there, and I'm going to get them. I'm going to drill some holes in here and get it mounted. So I'll keep on going. I'll obviously give this a bit of a wipe over and clean up before the engine goes in. There's still a bit of wiring to go, but we're getting there. So just playing with this distributor, call it cam sensor, whatever you want to call it. Out of the EF that I got off eBay. Just playing with it, and it's a whole different setup. I don't think I showed you as much there yesterday. I'll just pull it out. It's a T20 torque bit, and it, can I focus here? Do I focus this thing? Here we go. It's a T20, and it fits in there nicely, and I'd like to show you, but I've only got one hand, but it locks him in pretty solid. And the only spot, once you find your position there, because that little one there is your locator for your bracket to lock into, wherever I put it down here. It's off the AU. I don't know if the EF one's any different, but this fits. Close again. So I found his spot. Just got to find the, because you got your oil pump shaft coming up into it too, and the teeth on your idler gear there. Yeah, but that is the spot it wants to be, and my little T20 torque bit Allen key has locked it in there. Alright, we found his home. Got our pin in, and happy days. That is now locked in. Cool. I better paint it. We're just going to whack a bit of paint on our bracket here. Yeah, little ceramic heater. on the old clothes horse that you can pick up from any $2 shop. That's my painting rack, handy. So we are now, I forgot I had a heap of wiring to do still. Throttle body, air temp sensor. I've still got to do the map sensor. Now I'm just doing, where did I put it? The cam sensor to the Haltech. And you can print yourself out some good stuff, and there we have A, B, C, D for it. Power, yellow is obviously your signal, which is B, and signal ground blue. There she goes. So I actually didn't really tell the truth. I didn't trust it, but I should. I was just wondering why. Because it's a aftermarket plug. I was only wondering on what red, black, and then you got your brown, blue, green, red colours there. But I just jumped on the Haltech site and had a look. It goes like red something, yellow, which is the signal buoy. Yeah, signal, and then earth was over here, so it is right. So I'll just button him up. What this is, because if you go by colours, red's power, black earth, blah blah, it just didn't make sense on here to when I was hooking it up for the Haltech side. So yeah, A is your power, go on the red. And then your signal wire, which is actually the second one there on that colour picture, it is actually yellow. So he does go to yellow there, and then earth is blue. So we'll button that up and she's done, and we'll get it back together. Oh dear, well that took much longer than expected. I just put some Deutsch plugs in there for our injectors and LS coils and the EF cam sync and crank sensors. That took longer than I expected it to be, but right, I had to get that done. I didn't want to do that with the engine in there. Yeah. So, getting cool. Maybe get it in tomorrow. Right, weather's cleared up, depending on call outs. I nearly had to go today. But we might see if we can get it back in. Yeah. Oh, still raining. What do you reckon? Bonnet bulge stickers. Not too bad. We'll see. We'll get them both on, and let me know what you think of the bonnet bulge stickers. It's a bit hard with that glare, but just got to get this other one on. Let's get her on. Let that just sit there. Phone call would work. It's shabby. Right. What do you reckon? He's on. Yeah, I'm not completely sold, but yeah, close. Right. Woo. Click. Well, that'll do me for the weekend. Is it? Time to start buttoning up a few things. Woo. Yeah, there she is in all her glory. I think I'm flat. Yeah, she's in. Just got to now button up a few things and keep fitting her out. Did me. There's my little fuse box. I had the idea of making a little old nut set. Oh, look at this bloody thing going flat. Get off. There she is in all the glory. My gimbal went flat, so we're hand filming. Like I was saying, yeah, my fuse box, and I'm happier where I've put them. They're my battery terminals. Much better, instead of it sitting under that wheel arch. So now I'm just going to try and get them in there. That was my little inspection plate so I can get to my fuses. I'll put some nut inserts, riv nuts, whatever you want to call them, in there, and I'll screw that down like so. Paint it black. Should look the business. Yeah, we're in. Just going to tidy up this throttle body. Got to order some injectors yet. Waiting on, like I said before, waiting on an order from TI with my fuel pump and my AC delete bracket down here. I won't put that radiator and stuff in just yet, but oh, look how shiny she is. Yeah, that's her. So over the next couple of weeks, in the next episode, I've got to make an exhaust, injectors, tidy up the inside. Here's a question for you. My poor old seats. Actually, I'll show you my bonnet. It looks good. I like it. I reckon. Look at those stickers. I've had the thought of changing my seats. Oh, I hate looking in here because there's a lot of some stuff to be done still. Yeah. I've still got the original old girls in here. They're in good nick. I was running the old woolen seat covers. This one's got a bit of a hole where it goes in. But what do you reckon? I've got them. Would look nice. This one's a little bit buggered. The foam's in it, and it's gone. I don't know if I can fix it up or not. Anyway, yeah, I reckon I could paint that a little bit, hand paint it with some fabric paint. It wouldn't look too bad. And electric. Righto, that'll do this episode. I'll catch you in the next one. Like, subscribe. As you're meant to do, whatever you do. Yeah.